Alright, here's this problem again. And I was going to show you the other way to do it. So remember we had a tailor designs a skirt that is 25 1/4 inches long. What is the length in eighths of an inch? So we figured out that that means how many eighths of an inch fit into 25 1/4, which means we're doing division. How many of this fit into that, we divide to see how many we can put in there. So when we're dividing fractions, we use keep, change, flip, or as I like to call it, keep, flip, change, just because it reminds me of Kentucky Fried Chicken and it's easy to remember. Now, it's easiest if you turn this into a improper fraction first. That way you're just dealing with a numerator and a denominator instead of all this. And in order to do that, this is kind of related to the other thing I was doing. So 25 1/4. Anytime you're turning a mixed number into an improper fraction, you're always going to be in terms of that denominator. So my answer is still going to be in fourths. So just like before, if I had 25 fourths, or 25, not 25 fourths, 25 in terms of fourths, then I could draw out 25 circles, all cut into fourths, and I have 4 fourths, 8 fourths, 12 fourths, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, blah, 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 all the way up to 25, and then plus one more fourth. So what you're really doing is 25 times 4 plus one more fourth. And so that's 25 times 4 is 100, plus one more fourth, 101 fourths, divided by 1/8. And so now we use the keep, change, flip. Keep the first one, keep the first fraction, change the sign to multiplication, and flip this one, so 8/4. And I end up with 101 times 8. You just multiply across. Oops, this is supposed to be a 1. I don't know why I put a 4. Anyway, 101 times 8, 808, and just multiply across, over 4. And if I were to turn that into a whole number, it would be 808 divided by 4. 4 goes into 8 twice. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into 0, 0 times, 0, 0. Bring down the 8. And 2. And then that's it. We're done. So that equals 202. So how many eighths fit into 25 1/4? 202 eighths. That's how many. And that's the same answer we got when we used the other method. Alrighty.